Hey there, architects! Today, we'll be building our dream Jewish home. Like any good build, we'll start drawing up the blueprint. That's our vision, what we want our home to look and feel like. After that's completed, we'll have to hire a contractor. They bring the tools and the people to get the job done. Hammer? Check. Nails? Check. Bricks and cement? Check. And then we'll just build. And there you have it. Well, kind of. This is really just a house, but I wouldn't call it a home just yet. See, a house has walls and windows, but a home has something else, something you can't touch, something that makes it extra comfy, cozy, and full of life. Come, let me show you. There are 10 special mitzvot that turn a house into a warm and happy home, a Jewish home. Let's start at the door. What's that? That's right, it's a mezuzah. A mezuzah is like a Jewish welcome sign, reminding us that Hashem is right here with us every time we walk in and out. Inside, there's a scroll with the Shema. It goes on every Jewish doorway to protect the home and show the world, hey look, a proud Jewish family lives here. Something in this kitchen smells delicious. Can you smell that? This is a kosher kitchen. Kosher food is the kind Hashem wants us to eat. Just like proteins and veggies help our bodies stay healthy, kosher food keeps our neshama, our soul, strong and connected. Wow, look at these shelves. Jewish homes are filled with Jewish books like Siddur, Chumash, Tehillim, and of course, your Jew Q book. Having these books remind us of who we are and where we come from. And when we read from them, it's like the Torah becomes part of the family. And Torah learning, it's for everyone. Even just 5 minutes a day makes a difference. Learning Torah or reviewing what you learned in Hebrew school brings your Jewish identity to life. Have you seen these before? These are tefillin, 2 little black boxes with the Shema written inside. Jewish boys and men start wearing them when they turn 13 on their arm and head to connect their heart and mind to Hashem. While girls don't wear them, they can still be part of the mitzvah by reminding someone to put them on, or even helping someone to get a pair. Say hello, these kids just got back from Hebrew school, learning all about Torah, mitzvot, and how to live proudly as Jews, just like you. Jewish education helps kids grow up strong and confident in who they are. Even babies can join in, just by hearing Jewish stories and songs. Looks like we've got guests for a play date. That's Ahavat Yisrael, loving your fellow Jew like family. It could be something simple like sharing your toys or inviting someone to join in your game. Every kind thing you do brings more love and connection into the world because every Jew is part of one big awesome family. Now here's something important. A home isn't just where a family lives, it's where love, care, and connection happen. A Jewish home is holy, and parents make it extra special by filling it with the light of Torah and mitzvot. That's what brings real warmth, peace, and blessing to the whole family. Look, it's a tzedakah box. Tzedakah means giving to others, whether it's money, food, or kindness. A tzedakah box in your home is a great reminder for everyone in the home to do good. Don't forget to drop a few coins before heading out. Speaking of tzedakah, did you know women and girls give tzedakah right before lighting Shabbat candles? Lighting Shabbat candles is one of the 10 mitzvot that helps build a Jewish home, and it brings in that fuzzy, peaceful Shabbat feeling we all love. It fills the house with Hashem's light. And just like that, a house becomes a home, a Jewish home, full of love, tradition, and meaning. So yeah, bricks and nails can build a structure, but one by one, these 10 powerful mitzvot fill it with warmth, meaning, and light. And the light of a Jewish home, it doesn't just stay inside, it shines out into the world.
Everything we do at home, every little moment, and every good choice is an important step to building our home. That's the secret to a real Jewish home, a place full of love, happiness, and togetherness. So architects, what are we waiting for? Let's start drawing up those blueprints and get building.